When it comes to cars, you've probably heard terms like RWD, FWD, AWD, and 4x4 being thrown around, but do you actually know what they mean? In this video, we're going to break down these drivetrain systems and explain how they affect your driving experience and performance. Let's start with RWD, or rear wheel drive. In a vehicle with RWD, the engine's power is sent to the rear wheels. This setup is found in a lot of performance cars, sports cars, and luxury vehicles. It's perfect for those looking for a more balanced driving experience, especially when it comes to high-speed stability and handling. However, there's a catch. RWD cars can struggle in certain conditions, particularly when the road is wet or icy. Since the rear wheels are responsible for both propulsion and steering, they often lose traction when roads are slippery, making control a bit trickier compared to other setups. Moving on to FWD, or front-wheel drive, which is probably the most common drivetrain in everyday vehicles. In FWD, the engine's power is sent to the front wheels. This configuration helps improve fuel efficiency as the drivetrain is more compact and it's easier to manage in bad weather, especially on wet or snowy roads. The advantage of FWD is that the front wheels handle both the steering and the power, which helps with traction since the engine's weight is directly over those wheels. It's an ideal choice for people who want a reliable, affordable car that handles well in most weather conditions. Now, let's talk about AWD, or all-wheel drive. This system sends power to all four wheels, but it's automatic, meaning you don't have to worry about turning it on or off. AWD is common in many crossovers, some sedans, and a few performance cars. The big advantage of AWD is its versatility. It provides better traction and stability no matter what road conditions you encounter, whether it's rain, snow, or light off-roading. Finally, we have 4x4, or four-wheel drive. Now, this is where things get a little more specialized. 4x4 is often found in trucks, SUVs, and off-road vehicles. In a 4x4 system, power is sent to all four wheels, but the big difference here is that it's usually a manual system. This means you, as the driver, can choose when to engage it depending on the conditions. 4x4 is designed for tougher conditions. It's built for off-roading, deep snow, mud, or rough terrain. Many 4x4 systems have a low-range gearing option, which provides maximum torque for those extreme situations, helping you get through tough obstacles. It's the perfect choice for people who need their vehicle to perform on rugged trails or in harsh weather conditions where regular systems just wouldn't cut it. So to wrap it up, each drivetrain has its advantages and drawbacks. RWD gives you sporty handling and a more balanced drive, but struggles in slippery conditions. FWD is great for efficiency, easy handling, and wet roads, but lacks that performance edge. RWD provides automatic stability on various terrains without requiring any input from you, while 4x4 is the go-to choice for off-roading and extreme weather, offering the highest level of control when you need it most. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more car content. See you in the next video.